So what does an old 82 Chevy C10 with a 6.2 liter diesel sound like when she's running? Well, the click-clack of the glow plugs and the rumble of that old motor is pretty classic. So thought you might get a kick out of hearing it.
If you find this video helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Hey, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It's fun to try to share creative solutions for people and to try to help others. So if you would, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your subscription really helps me to grow and to be able to continue to do this. Thank you so much.